If you encounter a problem while working with the DVT extension, please don't hesitate to send us an issue report. Your feedback is valuable to us, and we strive to provide quick answers and fixes. Along with the problem description, we often need logs and system information in order to reproduce a problematic behavior and fix it. You can easily send us all this information right from the tool. Go to the command palette and select the Report an Issue command. Add the summary and the description of your problem. User details are remembered from previous issue reports. Attach screenshots, code snippets, or other files you consider helpful in reproducing the problem. You can also preview the information that gets sent. The application log and registry files, server properties, Visual Studio Code details such as the version and information about the installed extensions, VS Code settings grouped in 3 categories: user settings, workspace settings, and code active settings. VS Code information about the global and workspace state, and operating system information such as CPU and memory info. When you click Send, an email is sent to support@amic.com with your own address in CC. You can also save the issue report in a zip archive and send it manually to support@amic.com. For example, if you don't have internet connectivity on the machine where DVT runs.